I'm gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich. What you're gonna need is 2 slices of bread, cheese, I'm using mozzarella, butter, mayo. If you don't have mayo, use garlic sauce. First thing, you're gonna take the butter knife, take the butter and spread it all over one side of the bread. One side. One side. Other bread, a little bit rusty, but that's fine. Next up, we're gonna take some mayo or garlic sauce. Oops. Mayo or garlic sauce. It's actually salad dressing. I didn't have mayo. Oh well. Oh wait, I'm doing it on the wrong side. Wait a second. We have to toast this first. Hello. For this, we are also going to need a pan. And then act like Rapunzel and take down Eugene. Or is that his actual name? I don't remember, but... Pan, a stove, electrical stove, normal stove, whatever you had, just have a stove. Whee! Hello, I'm Mr. Spatula. You'll be needing me today. Oh, yes, I will. Yeah. We don't need the spatula right now, but we have to turn this thing on. Turn on. Hello? Yes. And put this to 9. Oh no. One 0.5, 2.5, 3.5. Oh my god, I feel the heat. Please get me to 9. Faster. 8, 9. 9. There we go. Now it's 9. I'm gonna wait for it to settle a little. Wait just 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We're gonna put one slice of bread. We're gonna put it face down. You know the butter? It's gonna be down. Like this is butter. I'm gonna put it down. There. Now I'm gonna go get some cheese. Here we have mozzarella. And here we have some burger slices. Burger slices. Just do this. Now what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to open up your pack of cheese. Open up. I'll need a scissors. Scissors! Hey kids, if you're using scissors, better go get a grown up. You don't want to cut yourself. First of all, why in the world would a kid be cooking? Second of all, true. Gonna have it. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is my favorite cheese. I thought we got some burger slices with the normal burger slices, but this is with a little more bam. Ah, there's something on my foot. Ew. Anyways, now we're gonna check if it's brown. No, it is not brown yet. You just have to press it down. Just like that. While I try to find how we open this pack of cheese. Come on, cheese. Oh, there it is. They even gave some arrows, which I totally didn't see, and I totally didn't know about. Carefully open the cheese. No, I broke the cheese. At least I'm not breaking the pasta. Oh no. I broke the cheese. It's okay. There we go. 1 slice of cheese. I don't want to put too many slices of cheese. Don't worry, I'm not burning my hand. Anyways, put that aside. Now we're going to put some mozzarella on it. you, this was frozen. Like, really frozen. Brr. 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 Oh my god, open up, stupid mozzarella. Oh. Some more mozzarella. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Gotta check if it's brown. Oh my god, that is brown. I'll put the mozzarella later. We know I put the wrong side. The butter is supposed to be on top. This time put the butter on top and flip it over. Oh shit. Oh my god. Damn. Okay. Now we're just gonna wait. Don't worry, I will wash the pan later. Take some more mozzarella because there was not enough mozzarella. Where's the part? Oh, here. I broke this part, so I can use it. Open up. Oh, it's stuck there. How do I don't freaking care. I'll just break it apart and put the mozzarella in later. Ah! I didn't burn myself, thank God. Oh shit! Damn! And that is how we make grilled cheese. Now let's try it out. Well, not exactly try it out now. Oh! That was hot. Anyways, put everything back, clean up while this cools down. While this cools down a little bit, and you will be standing here waiting for me to clean up. But don't think we're done just yet. We also have that mayo left over. Wait. Anyways, we still have this mayo left over, and I think the bread is stuck together, so I don't really think I can. Ooh, nice. Okay, I didn't get to put so much mozzarella on it, so sad, but too bad. Oh shit, put too much. I also had this spare spoon to spread everything out. There we go. Then we put the slice back on top. There we go. Let's go wash our hands. Yeah. It is time to be eaten. Oh, oh my god, that was scary. Okay. No satisfying, sadly there will be no satisfying stretches of the cheese because the mozzarella didn't make it. Literally. What? Why are you judging me for eating the crust? The crust was coming out. Like, getting out of the bread, so I took it off and put it in my mouth. Where else would I put it? On the plate? Oh yeah, that makes sense. Delicious.